Your student is going to get 30 hours of classroom time with us and 12 hours of in-car training. It is expected that you guys make this course a priority. So they're going to have classroom time and drive times. And how we get those drive times is we look at the schedule and we look at ODOT's requirements and then make a drive schedule to keep them into compliance. Students are allowed to drive only once in 7 days. They are also only allowed to drive the chapters that they've learned. So they can't take 2 drives in 1 week, or they can't skip the first drive. The first drive is mandatory and they have to drive that drive before they learn chapters 3 and 4. So what you'll find is that there's going to be a drive super quick, super fast, and then there might be some more time staggered out. So if your student cannot make one of those drives that we've given you, please give us a heads up right away. We will work with you on this schedule as we realize that we're making those appointments for you, and we want to make sure that it meets your needs. Once we agree upon a schedule, that's when fees occur. So there is an $80 fee for everything your student is missing. If they miss a class or they miss a drive, they are allowed to miss 2 things, but they do need to be made up with a fee. So if they're missing a class, they need a makeup class. If they're missing a drive, they need a makeup drive. Now, if they're missing a class, they aren't going to be able to do their drive that correlates to that chapter until it's completed. And it also has to stay in compliance with how many hours a student can have in the classroom for seat time for them to be able to participate. So please try to make it a point to be here. If your student cannot make it, communicate as soon as possible and let us know, and we'll be happy to work with you.